Checked side hustle. In the current digital era, there are numerous ways to make additional money using cutting-edge technologies like OpenAI's ChatGPT. Whether you want to establish your own business, support other enterprises, or make some additional money, ChatGPT can be a great tool to help you achieve your goals. This post will examine 6 other enterprises that you can launch using ChatGPT and that each have a potential daily revenue of more than $850. These side jobs, which range from creating newsletters for companies to opening online stores, will offer you a taste of how you might use ChatGPT to earn money. 5. Newsletter business. Understanding your target market and adjusting your content to meet their unique requirements and interests are essential to beginning a successful mailing business. You can easily create relevant, engaging material utilizing ChatGPT, which makes it simple to draw in new clients and keep existing ones. Businesses can pay you a flat fee, such as $500 for 2 weekly newsletters or $8 per month. You may make $5,000 each month by contacting just 10 companies. You can improve your chances of success and generate a sizable income from your newsletter business by concentrating on companies with high dollar worth per customer. There are countless chances for a newsletter business, whether you want to target local mechanics or businesses in larger communities. With a little imagination and ChatGPT's assistance, you can develop a lucrative side business that can bring in thousands of dollars each month. 4. Affiliate marketing plan. Using ChatGPT, you may create an effective affiliate marketing strategy for your online store. Try using ChatGPT to interact with influencers in your niche using TikTok or Instagram instead of wasting money and time on Facebook ads. By offering them a 20 to 30% commission on any purchases brought about by their marketing, you might persuade them to advertise your products. It might result in significant sales, boosting your income. For instance, you could make $21,000 from a single film if you sold 3,000 units for $10 a piece. It is an excellent technique to improve sales and your consumer base without spending a lot of money on advertising. 3. Dropshipping business. By using dropshipping to build your online store, you may also use ChatGPT. 95% of the labor, such as locating profitable products on marketplaces like Oberlo and AliExpress, can be done for you using ChatGPT. With dropshipping, you can get started with as little as $200 without having to invest any money in the products. However, it's critical to remember that appealing product descriptions and photographs are essential for drawing in customers. ChatGPT can assist you in creating product descriptions, but it's crucial to utilize a tool like Quillbot to edit the sentences so they don't sound artificially intelligent. Your website will rank better on Google and draw in more visitors as a result. 2. Digital marketer. Here is where you can contribute as a digital marketer. You can create engaging articles and adverts with ChatGPT that help businesses reach their intended audience online. It is a highly sought-after service with the potential for significant income. For example, We Are Nova's software leverages ChatGPT to subtitle videos and translate videos at 1/10 of the cost of traditional dubbing services. As a result, employing this program could enable you to save tens of thousands of dollars while maintaining a profit and sharing the savings with your clients. For those wishing to launch a side business or expand their current one, it is an excellent option. As more businesses look to have an online presence, this side gig might offer a lucrative and in-demand service. 1. Video content. The king of content is video, and a lot of individuals struggle with knowing what to say in front of the camera or don't have enough time to compose a screenplay. This is where you, as a scriptwriter, can help businesses and YouTubers create high-quality video content by pitching your services. This service will be more beneficial if the YouTube category is more complicated. For instance, explaining complex technologies like blockchain in a concise manner might take hours, and some YouTubers are willing to pay top bucks for well-written scripts. There is a lot of room for expansion in the market for script writing. You could create scripts based on various video topics and sell them to companies, or you could get in touch with YouTubers directly and present them with a package deal. The typical YouTuber creates 2 videos each week at a cost of $200 per screenplay, for a total of $1,600 per month. If you were to control just 1% of the channels out of over 300,000 with over 100,000 subscribers, you would make $48,000 a month. It could accomplish all of this by putting in 5 to 10 hours per week, which could result in a side business that earns $500,000 a year. That's it for today's video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for future update.